Okay, so today is a Thursday, and this is the Aburi facility. 3 big greenhouses, and it's still raining. So because of this rain, we've been here for almost a month, which is unusual. Usually we are just here for less than a week. Sometimes less than 2 weeks we are out. But look how it's raining everywhere, and there are some insects that will chop you as well. So all these setup, we are done with the setup. Going in and out, we've been doing a few videos here and there, and this is the final stage where we grow the vegetation. So these are some of the vegetation. We have dwarf bananas. They are planted intervals. So the indigenous so these are the irrigation systems. So the sprinkler system spread sometimes a meter apart. So every meter you have so it spreads a meter to that side and a meter to this side, and then this is very good because almost all the parts will have water or moisture. And then we're also bringing in the dwarf bananas, the plantain, the sweet potatoes, the leaves, the boko leaves, the etc. So the land is slopey a bit, so we have to make sure that we'll bring a bit of sawdust and manure to aid so that there wouldn't be a lot of flooding on our system. So this is our setup, and already there are